In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Fortnite on your Android phone. So to download Fortnite on your Android phone, this is a simple thing to do. So first thing I'm going to do is just head over to my Play Store, and if I search for Epic Games, what that will do is it will show you that nothing comes up on the store. So what you need to do is first of all go back, and then you will need to head over to your Galaxy Store. Once you click on your Galaxy Store, you'll be brought to this page here, and as you can see under latest game updates there's an option for Epic Games, but if it doesn't show there, what you can do is go to the search bar and you can search for Epic Games and it will come up as the top search result. So what you need to do now is just simply click on Epic Games, and then as you can see at the bottom of the page there is an option now to install. Once you click on install, it will go through the install process, so just wait for it to install and I will be back with you in a second. As you can see, it has now installed, so I need to just click on open. Once I click on open, it will bring up this page here, and as you can see there is an option now for Fortnite. So if you click on Fortnite, what that will do is it will take you to the download page, and as you can see for me it says update because I have already got this game installed on my device. So if I click on update, what that will do is it will just update the game, but for you, if you haven't got it downloaded already, it will just install Fortnite. Once it has downloaded and installed, as you can see now there's an option to click on launch, and once you click on launch it will open up the Fortnite game. So now if I click on launch, as you can see it is now loading the game up. So that's how you can go ahead and download Fortnite on your Android phone.